Hello everyone, it's me, Sophie, and welcome to my channel where I cover all juicy tips and tricks of how you can get the best out of your Japan adventure. Today I start with how to get yourself ready for your work and holiday visa application in Japan. First topic that I'll cover is, are you eligible to get the work and holiday visa in Japan? Because the problem is that not every single country is eligible. What shall you do? Of course, there is the internet. Go to your search engine of choice, type in embassy, Japan and your country, and then you know pretty fast whether there is an embassy of Japan in your country or not. And if there is, go on their website and check out work and holiday for your country, whether they are in cooperation with Japan or not. First, I get my phone and I already prepared everything because the actual list of 2021-2022, I know you have high hopes right now and I hope you're not getting disappointed or being disappointed after I read this list to you. The first country that is eligible for doing the work and holiday visa in Japan is Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Republic of Korea, France, Germany, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Denmark, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Norway, Portugal, Poland, Slovakia, Austria, Hungary, Spain, Argentina, Chile, Iceland, Czech, Lithuania, Sweden, Estonia, and the Netherlands. These are the countries so far that allow you to do the work and holiday visa in Japan. But of course, if your country haven't been on that list, it does mean that you cannot stay in Japan for longer. But what does it mean? Well, it means that you can still check out how long you're allowed to stay with a tourist visa in Japan. And when you know how long, you just need to book a flight to a nearby country, for example South Korea or Taiwan, spend the weekend there after your vacation period is over, go to that country, and then after 2 to 3 days just return to Japan and you can stay another, let's say 2 months or 3 months in Japan. Let's go! But yeah, that was the beginning of the long list that I prepared for you, a detailed step-by-step of how to get yourself ready for work and holiday visa in case you are eligible to do so. Next week on 5 Minutes Fridays, I cover the next topic on that list. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you didn't do it already. Hit the notification bell because it really makes a difference, I swear. You can also get in contact with me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and whatnot. Stay tuned, but without further ado, see you next week on another episode of 5 Minutes Fridays. Mata and love you and bye. Goodbye.